Hi, this is Chris with Clarkson Pools. Today I'm going to be going over how to use the spa in service mode. A scenario you would need to use this would be if you lost access to the app or the controller and need to use spa mode and turn on the heater or other devices for the spa manually. You will locate the auto service timeout button on the left side of the automation panel and you will tap it one time to put the system into service mode. Next, you will tap the filter pump button to turn on the swimming pool main pump. Next, you will go over to the valve section and tap it one time to go into spa mode. Next, you will tap the heater if you would like to heat the spa. Next, if you would like the spa jets on, you will tap the air blower. When you are done using the spa and ready to put the system back into normal operation, you will locate the auto service timeout button on the left side of the automation panel, and you will tap it 2 times to put the system into auto mode. It is important to remember when using service mode, every device you turn on will continue to run until you put the system back into auto mode. Thank you for watching.